Conservation Day. So let's start. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do? We make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less and preserve her green dress for our kids and the rest. For our kids and the rest. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Earth is home to you and me. Let's try our best to keep it clean. Okay, let's see how we can keep our earth green. Don't drop your rubbish. Don't leave the water running. Don't use up all that plastic. Do you really need the light on? Earth is home to you and me. Let's try our best to keep it clean. I'll try my best to keep it green.
Hello friends, my name is Sahildeep Kaur from grade 4. Do you know friends, Nature Conservation Day it's celebrated on 28th July to raise awareness about environmental protection. Earth is only planet because of air, water and life on it. It is also called blue planet. Save the earth for me and you. Let's see what can we do. Save the earth for me and you. EARTH. EARTH. Planet Earth is a happy place.
E is for environment, keep it clean. If we stand together, we can make the best team.
E is for animals that we love, swimming and walking and flying above.
R is for recycle or use it again. Reduce and reuse all the things which you can.
T is for travel every day, leave the car and rather walk this. H is for human that